Hello everyone, I am Jagdish Pal. This video is made to make people familiar about our app GMeet Attendance. This application is purely developed in Python. So I am going to guide you through the working of the application. Let's open Google Meet. Now it's open. Here we got the login window. In the left hand corner, there is an option of register now. Cause I'm new user, I need to create an account. So click on register now. Here you need to fill the username. Let me write my username and type a password. Let me type a password. Type password again and recovery key. So recovery key is going to use when you forget or want to reset your password. So type a recovery key. Let me type. Okay, and subject name. What subject you are going to teach? Okay, now here's student name with enrollment number. Here we need to, let's see how we are going to create the Excel sheet. Let's open the Excel sheet. Okay, so in the first column, we need to fill the first name of the student. In the second column, we need to fill the last name of the student. In the third column, we need to fill the enrollment number of the student. Let me paste for not wasting the time. Okay, so here I have written the first name of the student, the last name of the student, and the enrollment numbers. For example, the first name is Nishant Tiwari, the first name is Nishant, the last name is Tiwari, and enrollment number is this. We can also write names like Om Prakash as a first name, and there is nothing in last name. Yeah, it's valid. But the enrollment number should not be empty, and first name or last name both should not be empty. But please make sure the first name and the last name of the students are the name of their Gmail account's name from which they are going to attend the online classes. It's a bit confusing, isn't it? Let's make it clear. Let's say there's an student named Raju Rastogi. Yeah, there's an student which name is Raju Rastogi and he is using this name in the college. But in the Gmail, he used to write Raju Baba. Means he is writing Raju Rastogi in the college and Raju Baba in his Gmail. So here we need to write Raju as a first name and the Baba as a last name. I think you got it. Yeah. So in the first name we need to write Raju and Baba. Okay. So let's delete the garbage entries. It's kind of a register, like when you manually take attendance, you need to write names in the register. So it's kind of thing like writing name in the register, and it will take attendance after it. Okay, so let's save it. Let me save it with name of let's say data and desktop. Save it, and now open the Meet Attendance, GMeet Attendance, and upload the Excel file. Let's see data, and click on these check boxes and click on sign up. Now we successfully sign up. Click on OK. Okay, now we can log in. Let me type my email. Let me type my username and the password to log in here, which I have recently created. Click on login. Okay, now we have successfully logged in. This is our main window from which we are taking the attendance. Now it's demand to upload a CSV file. So let's see how we are going to get the CSV file. Open your Chrome browser and log in with your Google account from which you are going to take the online classes from Google Meet. Okay, so let me log in quickly. Now it's login. Let's open another window and search here Google extension. Okay, now click on this link. Now search here Google Meet Attendance. Google Meet Attendance. Search it. Okay, searching, and you have to add this one in your Chrome browser. So click on add to Chrome, add extension. It's adding. So make sure you are adding the extension which have the green mark. Okay, Google Meet Attendance with green mark. Okay, now it's added to Chrome browser. You can simply pin it for your convenient. Okay, and now close it, and also close it, and now open Meet Google Meet to see its use. In order to see the working of Google Meet Attendance extension, uh, let's create a quick Google Meet meeting. So let's open meet.google.com and click on new meeting, click on instant start meeting. Okay, now it's starting the instant meeting. Okay, here in the leftmost corner you can see a box. Yeah, this one. This is a box which is given by the Google Meet Attendance extension. Okay, here the list is empty because this is your first meeting, but when you are using it regularly, means taking class and using it regularly, so it will contain some previous day names. Yeah, it's bug of this third party extension, so you need to delete this every day. Means whenever you just take the class, just means like something you got names like this. So every day when you log in, just delete them. Okay, now we can add some friends to our Google Meet about this session. Okay, let me add them quickly. Now we have successfully added two friends. The first one is, yeah, Ashutosh Tripathi and Om Prakash. Yeah, we have added them successfully, and now we can see in this box we got their names. Yeah, this is the names of their Gmail address accounts name. Okay, let's end the session. Okay, now here's an option of save attendance as CSV file. Yeah, this option is, click here. Yeah, now CSV file is downloaded. Go to its path. Yeah, this is the downloaded file. We can open and see what's in there inside. Okay, it contains their names. You can see it. Okay, so you need not worry about what I am going to do with the names and what should I do, etc. You just close it and minimize it, and upload the CSV file which is just downloaded. Okay, click here. Here's a dialog box. Now go to download and upload this file and open it and click on save attendance. Okay, we got the message successfully saved. Now attendance is saved successfully. Let's have a look on other features. Like in the view tab, we got two options. First is view attendance, and the second one is student list. In the student list, we can save the names of all students which are saved in the database of GMeet Attendance. Let's click and see what's happening. Okay, it will open a dialog box, save attendance list. Let me write name student and save it on desktop. Click on save and wait. Okay, successfully saved student list. Click on OK, and here we got the Excel file. Let's click and see what's inside it. Here's the list of all the students who are registered in the software while we were uploading the Excel file. Yeah, that's the same. Close it. Okay, for now let's minimize it. And there's another option, view attendance. So click and let's see what's inside it. Here we got two options, from and to, and the another option is download total attendance. Uh, from these two calendars we can select date from which between we want the attendance to save, and from clicking on this checkbox download total attendance we can download the whole attendance. Let me click here and click on save attendance. Here we got the dialog box. Let me name it with AWT for attendance, and let's save. Okay, it's saying successfully saved attendance. Let me click on OK and open the downloaded file or saved file. Okay, so this is a attendance. Here is the date and name and enrollment number with their absent and present. Let's say in our last experiment, the Om Prakash and Ashutosh are present, and Nishant and Akashdeep were absent. So we can cross check the enrollment number, like Om Prakash. Om Prakash enrollment number is ending with 62. Let's say ending with 62. Here, ending with 62 is present, and Nishant Tiwari here ending with 32 is absent. You can see easily it's not that much tough. Okay, you can see, compare both of the list. Okay, so we can save attendance like this. Okay, let me close now. Okay, and there's many other options, like in the edit section we can add or modify the student. If I will click on add a student, from add filling these details like student first name, student last name, and student enrollment number, I can add a student. Like, let me add the student Ram. His first name is Ram and the last name is Babu, and enrollment number is 0301 CS 1810000. Okay, like this. And the name copied from email means Ram Babu name is the name which he is using on his Gmail. Okay, let me click on add. Yeah, Ram Babu added successfully. Okay, and let's check, is Ram Babu added or not. Let's again download the student list and see list one and save it. Okay, here we got the student one, list one sheet. Click and open it. Yeah, we can easily see here's the fifth one, Ram Babu, with the enrollment this. Okay, it's working. And let's minimize it for now. And here's the another options in edit section, which is nothing but modify student. Click here. Okay, so here we got the following options, like for previous first name, previous last name, previous enrollment number, new first name, new last name, and new enrollment number. So if I want to edit someone, let's say I want to edit the Ram Babu, I mistakenly write the Ram Babu, but it was Rama Babu. Okay, I want to add A after the M. So let's add, the first name was Ram, the last name was Babu, and the previous enrollment number was let me copy. Okay, we copy and paste it. Okay, so the first name is now Rama Babu. Actually, we have to also edit the new enrollment number. Means we have to write the new enrollment number. So let me write one. Okay, now click on modify and click on OK. Okay, now details are successfully added. Click on OK. Close the window and let's see whether the name is edited or not. Click on view attendance and save list. Student list. Okay, let me see new school list and save it. Okay, now open it. The last name should be Rama Babu. Okay, it's now Rama Babu. It's also working. Click and close it. Okay, now see remaining functions. There is the help section. You can read the article, watch the video, or in about section you will get these two sections like about app. Click on about app and you will get this window. Close it, and in about us section you will get this window about us, the developers and the workers of the software. Okay, and close it. And in the account section you can change the password from here using these options. You can change the password. And now close it. That's it, all about it. Okay, if you want to customize this as your personal app, you just need to contact us. We also make commercial customized application, so you can contact us. The contact details are in about us section. This application is work of me and my team, Nishant Tiwari and Akashdeep Suman. Okay, thanks for watching.